Welcome back. Um, let's look into registerable courses. Every semester, there are courses you're supposed to register as a student with now, and there are two places you can get these courses. One is here, the official website nou.edu.ng. You can get the registerable courses here from your first semester, first year to final year. You can get all your registerable courses here. You go to study with us. Under study with us, you scroll down to programs. From these programs, you go straight to registerable courses. There are two views. The first one, this one, and the second view, this. I'll show you the difference between them. There are two views. Look at this. The second view is this. It goes straight to Faculty of Sciences 100 level, and they list the programs under the Faculty of Sciences. B.sc Information Technology. The courses you're supposed to register at 100 level. Look at them. GST 103 Computer Fundamentals. This is 100 level first semester, and it is a core course for this program, BSc Information Technology. You can change levels from here. If you are at 400 level, you simply type 400, you simply click on 400, and 200, you click on 200 under Sciences. If you don't know your faculty, as a new student perhaps, get your admission letter. The first paragraph on your admission letter contains your faculty. So you will have to come here, click on faculties, select one that applies to you. If it is education, you click on education. The level, if it is 100, you click on 100. If it is 200, you click on 200. Then click on apply. Under the Faculty of Education, we have BSc Education and Agricultural Sciences. So these are the courses for 100 level second semester, 100 level first semester. You use the columns, the title of the columns to interpret them. You can scroll down for more. Let's go down. There are a lot of them here. If you don't like what you are seeing here, it doesn't look so good, then you may probably prefer the second view. Registerable courses. Look at this. Which faculty are you looking for? Is it agricultural sciences? If it is agricultural sciences, it tells you these are the programs under these faculties. And in parentheses here, these are the courses you're supposed to offer. This one, you offer 46 courses here. This one, 48. This one, 50 courses, 75 courses, 63. So you can click on any of them. Let's say soil and land resources management option. You get into this program using direct entry, and these are the courses for you. level 200 first semester. These are the courses you offer. Second semester follows, and so on. Look at the address. You can simply, if you don't know, if you cannot come here, follow all these processes, type nou.edu.ng/registerable2_2. If you type this on your address bar and press enter, it will bring you to this place directly. Then you can start selection and filtering. You can start filtering the registerable courses for your program. You have to know as well that these registerable courses here may not tally exactly what you are going to see in your portal due to updates, and it's basically maybe course code, changing course code or title, but definitely they will be very much this. You convert this directly to PDF from here. Convert it directly to PDF from here. You by simply right clicking on this and click on print. Same goes for your phone. On your phone, you will still have to click on that print icon. You firstly click on share. From share, you will see print. Click on print, then select this destination as save as PDF. Change it to save as PDF. You may come here, it might be any other thing, but change it to save as PDF. Then click on save. That's it. Type the name, courses 100 level. Click on save. That's it. You've converted this page to PDF. It has been saved. Thank you, and good luck.